Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the front panel door for this Toyota Auris 2011. Okay, for this we're gonna need a small screwdriver or big screwdriver in minus, or you can use this trim removing tool. We're gonna have to identify where we have the screws. So we have this small plastic here. We have to remove this one. We have to find the best place to don't damage nothing more. As you can see, we have two screws there with a plus, and we have another plastic here. We have to remove this one as well. Okay, we have another one here. Okay, now we check under the panel to see if we have. If we don't, okay, we don't have nothing else. So now we have to unscrew these two screws. With the screwdriver in minus, we can unscrew these three screws, just like that. You can use an electric drill as well, just like I use every time on my videos. Have to remove the screws to don't lose them. Okay, here, and now we have to remove the panel out. I'm gonna use this trim removing tool. You can use a screwdriver, it's no problem. If you don't have this tool, you can use a screwdriver, no problem. It's not such a big problem. Okay, I have one fucking pin inside here. Just don't let us remove the panel. Okay. Okay. Now that's it. We remove this one. Boom. This one. Remove this one. This plug, or like that. Move this, and this is the way how you remove the front panel for this Auris. Maybe it was a bit hard, like I didn't remove it nice and slowly, but you can go a bit slow with to be carefully with the panel to don't break any clips, any bracket. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to give me one like for this video, or you can, if you're not subscribed yet, you can subscribe to my channel to see more videos. If you would like to make some videos for you, how to remove some parts from your own car, just comment in the comment section and I'm gonna do a video for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.